Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to toggle the touchpad on HP ProBook 450. To toggle the touchpad, I'm going to show you that using the keyboard, since you probably want to toggle it if you have it disabled. So you should first click on the Windows key on your keyboard and type in Device Manager. Now, click on Tab key until you get to the first position on the list, and then use the arrows to go to HID device, human interface devices. I don't see them here. Okay, they are here. Then use the right arrow to expand the menu. And now I can see that I don't have the I don't have it here. I don't have this device. So let's go to mice and other pointing devices, and here you can find the touchpad. So now you can click on Enter, and then click on Tab key until you're pointing on General, and use the arrows to go to Driver. Now, if the device is disabled, you will have an option to enable it right here. Or you can also, if it doesn't work, try uninstalling it, so it simply uninstalls itself. You can restart the laptop and it'll reinstall itself, or go to Update Driver. Of course, everything can be achieved with the Tab key and space. So if you want to update the driver, click on space, then space to search automatically for drivers. And now I can see that the best drivers are already installed. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.